just picked up some stuff that we needed. We got the guys over there right now in Willis. Raul with us right now. Danny and Cuba are over there. Jaden's on his way to the store to pick up an extra kit of epoxy just so we're on the safe side. But yeah, man, we're on our way to the house. We're going to drop a fat ass metallic floor, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Bringing down that pigment.
What's going on, guys? We're back at it with another one out here in Willis, Texas right now. Got the crew over there. They're already pre-mixing all the pigments. We're going in with a black. The closest thing we get the beige. Going with some gold glitter and a little bit of brown. This job right here, I think we started this job about a week ago. We had to kind of pause the project. There was a lot of rain, a lot of moisture. They don't have any AC in the house. So there was a lot of moisture in the air. Settled on the floor. It was always wet. Got blessed with some dry weather, kind of on the cool side, not crazy. We're finally back. It's dry in there. They installed a breaker, so now we got lights. So let's go check and see what the guys got going on.
Darker? Those look darker than these, but the mixing it's all looking like that. That's black. That's what it looks like. But then let me see. Okay. That's looking good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the black. That's a little foot over there.
Yeah, guys, where the black powder look gray, almost like a silver, but as soon as it mixes in with the epoxy, you know, it turns black. That's the color we're looking for. So about another 10-15 minutes and we'll be dropping floors.
Three right there. Or five, the big one.
I will go ahead and make that A a brown. 5-2 y después un vaso de café. Pero voy a tirar los 5 negros primero y después me tiras el oro, hacer las líneas, voy a esperar el café y después lo voy a mover.
Just drop the lines, right?
Primero el soliteo, boom, 5 negros.
5 negros. Y después los 5 negros, los 5 de oro o los beige, a 2 de oro.
2 de oro ya.
Ajá. ¿Qué cabes con los oros?
Te preparan el café.
El café, pero es muy importante que lo hagan bien porque rock hard, si no lo mezclan bien, me lo se seca.
Ya. No, ya, yo lo voy a poner ahí listo y a mezclar. Nada más que esté echando el último oro, ya le digo a Dan que vaya mezclando él para que esté bien mezcladito.
So, el café le vamos a dar a 2 horas de A y el tercero va a ser B. So, en total va a ser 3 horas. 2 de A y el tercero va a ser el 3.
2-1.
Ajá.
4A, 2B.
El baño, el cuarto, the hallway, and the little room. That should be good with 5. And then the 2 beige all the way. And then leave everything else for the front. Yeah. But if we do it right, man, that's what I'm saying. Say 5 and then leaves 10 blacks for up here. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep that in mind. Y'all help them pop those bees open real quick, man. Crack that window open, man. Don't have a respirator, but when epoxy starts to cure, when it starts hitting that for 15 to 25 minute mark, you'll see the epoxy start its curing process and you'll see this little fog start to raise. So I want to make sure that that is kind of working its way out. You know, trying to live, baby. I ain't trying to fuck myself up. We got Jaden, we got Raul, getting ready to drop some tabs. We got Boyle out here, we got Danny, we got everyone here. when it's hot, it's a lot quicker to dry. So, you know, man, we just won't take that risk and walk on the floor that's not dry and then just, you know, so leave all the footprints on the floor. The floor is fucking beautiful. This whole floor is badass. Yeah. Man, that thing looks good. Look, man, you want to check it out? Look, but I don't know if you can see through here. Look, let's see if you can get something right here. It might be hard, but all right, let's go check out the front. It's just too early, man. It's cold. The floor's not fully cured. We just don't want to mess anything up, so.
Yeah, the only thing they want to know is
See if you can kind of capture that, like over there.
yeah, it look hard, bro.
Yeah, I just can't walk on it too early. We're in these footprints, and then it's not just a little blow right there. Just like something up. Just cut them out. It's cold in the house. It's just it's a metal building.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Where is it? Tell not to walk in. Like, don't walk in. It's too early to walk in. Just open up the doors. Say, hey man, we're all here. Everybody showed up. It's just too early to walk on it. It's a little cold. It's a metal building, so it's holding a lot of that temperature in. So we're just gonna kind of wait.
Yeah, I caught him before he came up here.
Wait, what you say?